Hi, in this video, we will learn every point in the section Nalanda, a unique center of Buddhist learning, part 1. This comprises 10 questions. Question 1. Xuanzang and other pilgrims spent time studying in dash. The options are Taxila, Nalanda, Mathura, Madurai. Your time to choose. And the answer is Nalanda. So, Xuanzang and other pilgrims spent time studying in Nalanda. Question 2. Nalanda is in present day dash. The options are Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra. Your time to choose. And the answer is Bihar. So, Nalanda is in present day Bihar. Question 3. Nalanda was dash Buddhist monastery of the period. The options are one of the famous, not a famous, the largest, the most famous. Your time to choose. And the answer is the most famous. So, Nalanda was the most famous Buddhist monastery of the period. Question 4. Nalanda was the most famous dash of the period. The options are Buddhist monastery, university, Jain monastery, research institution. Your time to choose. And the answer is Buddhist monastery. So, Nalanda was the most famous Buddhist monastery of the period. Question 5. The teachers at Nalanda were dash. The options are men, women, Buddhist monks, Jain monks. Your time to choose. And the answer is men. So, the teachers at Nalanda were men. Next question 6. The teachers at Nalanda were men of dash. The options are highest ability, highest talent, A and B, doctrine. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, the teachers at Nalanda were men of highest ability and highest talent. Question 7. The teachers at Nalanda followed the dash in all sincerity. The options are teachings of the Buddha, Vinaya Pitaka, teachings of the Mahavira, hymns of the Buddha. Your time to choose. And the answer is teachings of the Buddha. So, the teachers at Nalanda followed the teachings of the Buddha in all sincerity? Question 8. The teachers at Nalanda followed the teachings of the Buddha dash. The options are lightly, frequently, during holy months, in all sincerity. Your time to choose. And the answer is in all sincerity. So, the teachers at Nalanda followed the teachings of the Buddha in all sincerity. Question 9. The rules of Nalanda were dash. The options are not strict, strict, different for different people, changed frequently. Your time to choose. And the answer is strict. So, the rules of Nalanda were strict. Last question 10. Dash had to follow the rules of Nalanda. The options are everyone, every student, every attendant, nobody. Your time to choose. And the answer is everyone. So, everyone had to follow the rules of Nalanda. Okay, so in this video, we learnt every point in the section Nalanda, a unique center of Buddhist learning, part 1. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Nalanda, a unique center of Buddhist learning, part 2. I'll see you there.